here we have the all new Slam 250 Enduro. Really great value, new dirt bike from MUCKANDFUN in Wicklow. This is the first one just after being built and tested. First batch arrived in Ireland. So full size, same size as the Yamaha's on it. Big wheel. Electric start and kick start, back up. Lights, let you hear a little. Lovely sounding bike, very reliable, nice and easy to ride. Part of a big slam bike range that we do a kids version in a 50, a 110, then we do them in a 125 and a 140 in the pit bike range. So this is the all new 2020 Enduro 250. Just give you a bit of closer look at everything. Amazing value for a brand new bike. You'd be buying some second hand bike on Donedeal for the price of this brand new. Home delivery all Ireland, only €60. Electric start, makes life handy. Lovely sounding, just great fun, great for trail riding. Home delivery all Ireland, only €60. MUCKANDFUN.com and Facebook.com/MUCKANDFUN for loads of info. So there you go, has a key as well. So now you can take your bike when you're not using it. Like a KTM style headlight, MX style bars, MX tyres, wavy disc brakes, quality suspension, everything at a good price. So there you go, the new Slam 250 at MUCKANDFUN in Wicklow. Need any info? Just let us know.